Hey, what's up? Hello, how are you? Okay, now let's talk about penny, about the 2005 penny no mint mark. Okay, let's find out the price or the value of a 2005 Lincoln penny no mint mark in top condition. Yeah, in top condition, Lincoln penny. Okay, here we go. Let's find out the value. The most valuable 2005 penny with no mint mark went to a specimen that was graded MS68 Plus RD by Professional Coin Grading Service and sold for $1,950 in a 2018 sale. Okay? $1,950 for 2005 no mint mark Lincoln penny. Wow. Okay, that's all. I hope I was able to provide some information for coin collecting. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe.